Hello mga friends! Welcome po sa kusina ni Bibay. So for today's recipe, tayo po ay gagawa ng cordon bleu. We have put the ingredients at the end of this video, so stay tuned. At first, tayo po ay gagawa ng egg mixture. So to make this mixture, we will add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, then 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, saka po 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Then haluin lang po nating mabuti. And after preparing the egg mixture, ihahanda na po natin ang ating chicken. So chicken breast po yung ginamit natin dito. Then ihiwain po natin siya sa gitna. Parang ipi-fillet po natin para po lumapad siya. Kasunod po nito ay ilalagay natin siya sa cling wrap para po pwede natin siyang bugbugin. Tama yung term ko na mami, bugbugin. And after this, we will gonna prepare the cheese. So magi-slice po tayo ng cheese. Siya po yung gagamitin nating panlaman dun sa loob together with the ham. And then we will coat our chicken with salt. Next is pepper. Then garlic powder. Saka po paprika. Then after coating our chicken, we can put our ham and cheese. Sabi nga nila, mas cheesy, mas masarap. Then, i-start na po nating i-roll yung ating chicken. Yan, make sure lang po natin na tightly rolled yung ating chicken. Then, ilalagay po natin siya sa refrigerator to chill for 30 minutes. Then, after 30 minutes, pwede na po natin siyang i-dip sa flour. Then, after ng flour, ilalagay po natin siya sa egg mixture. Then, next is sa breadcrumbs. Then we will gonna deep fry this at low heat until maging kulay golden brown po siya. So after maluto ng chicken, we will now prepare the white sauce. So this will be by adding 2 tablespoons of butter, so yung unsalted po or margarine, and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Then lulutuin lang po natin siya from 3 to 5 minutes. The next is we will add 1 cup of evaporated milk. Then pakukuluin po natin siya under low heat. Then maglalagay po tayo ng salt and pepper to taste. Then thank you for watching our recipe. Then hope you will try this and let your family enjoy. Then masarap po siya talaga. So, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share sa kusina ni Bibay. And as always, enjoy cooking.